Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to introduce you to a new feature that Google Drive has rolled out. You can see it on the screen right now, and these are the keyboard shortcuts that you can now use within Google Drive on Mac and PCs. So what it says is move a file with Command X, then Command V. So this is going to make it much easier to copy and paste or move files within your Google Drive without having to right click, then clicking on copy and then pasting. So what I'll do is I'll just close out of this notification. Now you can't see my keyboard, but I'll walk you through what I'm doing. So if I want to go ahead and take this untitled spreadsheet right here and I want to move it. So what I'm going to do on my keyboard is I'm going to push, now I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to push Command and then X. But if you're on a PC, you would push Control and then X. So let me push Command and then X. Now it says item cut to clipboard. So what I can do now is I can go into this folder for an example, and then if I want to paste it in here, I push Command and then V, and it says working. It says Google Drive wants to see text and images copied to the clipboard. I'm just going to allow that. So you have to approve that notification, and you can see it's being quickly moved to this folder. So I can go back to my drive. Now if I want to take this PDF and I want to just copy it instead of moving it, I can push Command and then C, go into this folder, and then I can push Command and then V. And you can see everything is doing at the bottom left hand corner, and you can see now it has been copied. And that's all you need to know about this new feature. You can copy and paste things, you can move things by pushing Command or Control X and then Command or Control V. And that's all there is to it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.